In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's custom rule builder. We're going to walk through creating a simple automation from scratch so you can save time on repetitive work and keep your projects organized without constant manual updates. First, open the Asana project where you want to set up your rule. Once your project is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Customize button. This is where Asana keeps all the extra configuration options for your project, including fields, forms, and the rules we'll be working with. Inside the Customize panel, find the section labeled Rules. Click on Rules and then click the Add button. This is how you start creating a new rule for your project. You'll see a few options, including templates, but for this walkthrough, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over what triggers the rule, any conditions you want to apply, and what exactly should happen when the rule runs. Now it's time to define the trigger, which is what tells Asana when to fire the rule. Click on the option that says When to pick your trigger. You'll see a list of possibilities, such as when a task is created, when a due date is changed, or when a status changes. For example, you might choose Status Changed, so that the rule runs whenever someone updates the task status. Take a moment to pick the trigger that matches the workflow you want to automate. Next, you have the option to add a condition. This step is optional, but very helpful if you only want the rule to run in specific situations. Click on Check If to add a condition. Here, you could choose something like Priority is high, so the rule only applies to high-priority tasks. You can think of conditions as filters that narrow down when your automation will actually happen. After that, you'll set up the action, which is what Asana should do automatically for you. Click on Do This and select the action you want. Common actions include moving the task to a different section, assigning it to a specific person, or updating a custom field. For example, you could choose Move to Section, so that when a high-priority task status changes, it automatically moves to a Needs Review section. Once your trigger, any conditions, and your action look good, you're ready to turn the rule on. Click Publish Rule to activate the automation. From now on, whenever your trigger and conditions are met, Asana will automatically carry out the action you defined, helping your project stay up to date with less manual work.